Hello everyone, it's Joanna talking from Hustle Got Real. On this video, I would like to start you talking about what OTP stands for and what do we use it for. If you use your Amazon account frequently, you will have noticed that when you try to access your account from a device or Wi-Fi that is not the one you usually use, Amazon asks you for a double authentication factor. This means that in addition to entering the password for your account, you will receive a code, either on your mobile phone or on your email, that you have to enter to access your account. So you have a double authentication. This is known as OTP, one-time password, because the second code you receive on one of your devices will change each time you try to log in using OTP. This is the reason why when you link your Amazon account to VA Ninja services, we ask you to verify your account introducing the code you receive. Amazon asks us this code because we are not a known device that usually access that account. If you don't have your two-factor authentication enabled, we should be able to access and link your account without any problem each time we need to purchase an order. But sometimes Amazon asks for that OTP again in the future. So if that happens, we're going to have to wait until you verify your account again so we can purchase your orders. If you are an Amazon seller, the two-factor authentication enabled is compulsory. So you are going to need to have it on. If you're not, you are going to be able to enable or disable it as you wish. So the next step would be, what do we recommend and what types of OTP does Amazon have? So in order to explain you this, we are going to go to your account on Amazon and we're going to access login and security. Here we see we have the option, the settings option to enable two-step verification, which is the same as two-factor authentication, which means that you have your password and OTP enabled. So if we click on edit, here it will show us what it is and the possibilities we have to configure it. There are two options, either by doing it through your phone number, where you introduce your phone number and you will be receiving your OTP by text message or voice delivery each time you enter your Amazon account. This is one of the options. And then there's another option, which is the one we highly recommend, which is through an authentication app. VA Ninja will use the Authenticator app to access your Amazon account and introduce the OTP each time we need to purchase an order for your buyers. How does this work? Basically, instead of adding your phone number, what you need to do is you need to download an Authenticator app. There are several of them. If you click here on the link need an app, it will tell you how to do so. So basically, as you can see in the video here, you download the app into your phone and then you click on link other like Google's or other application authenticator. You scan the QR code and then Amazon will be linked to this app on your phone. The code that is shown in the screen will change every 30 seconds. So this means that every 30 seconds you will have a different code here. So if you need to access your Amazon account, what you need to do is introduce your password, then open the app and just type in the code that is in your phone. Well, as we do not have access to your QR code here, in order to link this method to VA Ninja, what you're going to need to do is press on the link here, can scan the barcode and copy this number here. This is the key. So you basically copy the key over here and then I will show you where to paste it in VA Ninja. What does this mean? This way we will have access to like the same app you have on your phone and we will be able to purchase any order from any buyer, no matter if Amazon asks us for this Authenticator app code of the app. You could just change it and do it yourself. I just wanted to explain you what the two options are and why do we need this key here and what do we use it for. So basically, we really always recommend you have the OTP enabled, especially because we're using your account to buy products. Okay, so before we paste the key into the VA Ninja account, please make sure we need to end up to configure the Authenticator app, and we need to follow the step 3. Once we've activated the step 3, we will copy the key into our VA Ninja account. What I suggest you do here is copy the key and paste it somewhere you can access it, because when you finish step 3, you won't have access to the key again. So you copy it, you save it somewhere in a Word or in a Post-it, in a note, anywhere, and then we will end up configuring the Authenticator app. So what we do is basically we access the app we've downloaded and we enter the OTP that in the app is indicated at that moment. Okay, it's changed now, so we verify it, and then I suggest you click on do not require OTP on this browser. If you're using the computer you normally use to log in and you click this, it won't require you this OTP, and you will be able to access it without having to introduce the second code. So you click here and you turn on the two-step verification. So now everything is ready. Now we are gonna go to VA Ninja settings and paste the key we've just saved there. Please, just one more thing, if for any reason you disable it and enable it again and that key is changing, each time you enable and disable the two-step verification, the key will be a new one. So make sure that if for some reason you disable and enable it later, you update the key on VA Ninja. So now let's see the next step, how to introduce these changes to the VA Ninja account. Now I'm going to show you how to link this to your VA Ninja. So you basically go to your VA Ninja account, you go on settings, you press Amazon, and here at the section where you needed to configure and link your Amazon account, you will see we've added a 2FA key. So here you will basically need to go to Amazon, copy the key I've just shown you, and paste it here. You paste it here and you set it up. So VA Ninja will have access to your OTP. More questions about this. What if you don't want to have OTP enabled and you only want one password? It's okay, you can still verify your account like you've done up to now through VA Ninja. You click on account verify, you introduce your Amazon details, and then you only introduce one time your password that you will receive on your email or your phone, and then we shouldn't have any problems. But sometimes Amazon does ask for that authentication randomly from time to time. So what can happen is that if you don't have the 2FA enabled, then we might need to verify your account again in the future. So in order to avoid all of this, we always recommend you enable OTP on Amazon and you give us the key so we can update everything for you and we don't have any problems with the orders. So I hope this video might help you understand what the two-factor authenticator is used for and why do we need you to give us access to the OTP, and also understand the different methods you have to configure it for yourself. If you have any questions or doubt, do not hesitate to contact us and we will try to sort them out for you. Have a great day.